Hey everybody, this is Gary Fong, and I am excited to introduce to you our newest product, which is the Elite Type 1 Bracelet, Shungite Bracelet. Now, up until now, all of our bracelets and most of our jewelry has been Type 2, which is 73% fullerene in content, and our beaded necklaces and our horizontal tile bracelets have been made like this because they're more durable, and because they're durable you can actually manufacture them into different shapes like the mala beads or the beaded necklaces. And what I really like about Shungite is the ability to wear it around the clock. And so this is fine. 73% is very, very powerful, but those of us who really like the feel of an elite stone touching our skin directly, like our ECNs, which is runaway, this is our #1 most popular product because it is the most potent form of Shungite and it touches your skin. So very close to your throat chakra or your solar plexus. This is an adjustable cord. I thought, you know, that's really kind of cool. That's the only piece of Elite Shungite that we have that you can wear around the clock. So then I thought, wouldn't it be cool if we could make a bracelet? So this is my bracelet. And I've been wearing this for a couple of days. This actually was my prototype, and it is so comfortable. And what's really cool about it is that, well, it's adjustable in length, so I think it's between 7 and 8 inches. You'll see in our product description. What's really cool about it is every single one of these is its own Elite Shungite stone. They are beaded individually in between each one. I don't know if you can see it, but they're hard to manufacture because you take some of these really tiny things and just imagine how painstakingly it would be to drill, select each rock so that they all, kind of look alike. There's not one huger than the other, and then put them into kind of like a really, really cool stone bracelet. So this again gives you the ability to have Elite Type 1, 97% fullerene, pure Shungite on your skin 24/7, and it be wearable. Check it out. It's at on our website at verifiedshungite.com. Thanks for watching.